السلام عليكم وأهلا بكم في Arabic with Dima. Welcome to Arabic with Dima. I teach Arabic, and in the last video I explained a few consonants, and in today's video we will also continue talking about them. And in today's video we'll also study two more consonants. And as usual, we will learn how to read each letter and how to write each letter separately and within a word. So the first one is صاد, صاد, صاد. And the second one is ضاد, ضاد, ضاد. And now when we discuss the pronunciation or articulation of صاد, it basically comes from pressing the tongue against the alveolar ridge. The صاد is actually similar to the S sound, but it's kind of like a stronger S. Also, it's about the position of the tongue inside your mouth, as you can see in this picture. صاد, صا, صا. Now let's try to pronounce it along with the vowels. So with the long ones, sa, su, si. And with the short ones, sa, su, si. Now the articulation of the ضاد, it also happens when you press your tongue against the upper teeth. It's a dental letter, actually, it's a dental sound. It's so similar to the D, however, it's a thicker sound. It's a thicker D. So you can try ضاد, ض. And now let's practice with the vowels. ض, ضو, ضي. And the short ones, ض, ضو, ضي. Now let's study how to write صاد and ضاد. First, how to draw them alone. Let's start with the writing of the صاد or the ص. As you can see here, this is how we draw it. You can basically start with a small, go up and down and then left and then a big curving. It kind of looks like a triangle, the first part. Watch the arrows. Up, down, left, and then you end with a curving. Let's do it one more time. Now ضاد, just like صاد, but we have a dot on the top. You can see here, looks like a small triangle and then a big curving, and don't forget the dot. Let's do it one more time. This part looks like a triangle, as I said. And we'll do it one more time. Up, down, left, and then a curving and a dot. Now let's check out how to write it in a word. As usual, you already know my rule if you've watched my earlier videos. The rule says if you have any letters after, this means you have to keep it the same. No changes happen. However, if you do have, then you're going to have to drop the last end or the last part of it, which is the curving. Now let's have an example when we don't have anything after the صاد or ضاد. As you can see here, we have قرص. صاد is at the end of the word. We don't have anything after, and that's why we keep it the same. And now in ضرس, we started with ضاد, and we have ra after it. That's why we dropped or deleted the last part, which is the curving. Now let's take some more examples on first when we don't have any letters after. So the first one is قرص. As you can see, we ended with صاد. We don't have anything after, so it's the same. And another example on ضاد, We have here in bayd, we ended with a dad, and nothing, we don't have any letter after it, so it's also the same here. Now let's see some examples when we do have a letter after. So the first one on sad is sabbar. We have started with the sad and it's followed by a ba, and that's why we have deleted the last part of it, as you can see here. And now in dirs, we've also started with a dad. It's followed by a ra, and also here we have deleted the last part of it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. مع السلامة.